Biggest design mistakes people make while on Shopify. Hello people, welcome back to e-commerce know-how. Opening a Shopify store is easy, but when people visit your store and don't buy anything, you need to know something is amiss. One problem could be with the design of your store, and so in this video we will take a look at all the design mistakes people make when designing their store. Stay tuned. A faulty, unattractive design. When you design your Shopify store, it should be aesthetically pleasing to look, and it must be robust enough to carry any number of traffic. When your store cannot manage to get any one of them right, then you need to go back to your drawing board because you have a poor design. Imagine your store looking like one claustrophobic area. Would anyone care about purchasing in your shop? Don't be one of them. Having an attractive design doesn't mean having the best looking graphics. It is all about using a minimalistic design with a combination of right fonts and colors. Always remember, your website must indicate your brand and your vision, other than an e-commerce store. Have you noticed websites like Nike or Tommy Hilfiger? Those websites don't represent their products, rather they show how classy their brand is. That's the target design you to achieve. If you think you can't design your Shopify store, don't worry. Shopify has it covered for you. It has countless e-commerce website templates for you to choose from. From simple, minimalistic design to graphic intended designs, Shopify has everything in its inventory. All you have to do is choose the right template and customize it as you wish. Oversized, low-quality images. Images are components that make your websites look attractive. It also rescues the text monotonicity by breaking up paragraphs. You can convey a complex message easily using images. But what if you are making a mistake in uploading images? Images are the initial thing your visitors see when they come to your store, and if you use poor quality images, you are pushing them away by yourself. Statistics show that images are the prime thing a customer looks for in an e-commerce store. So you have to avoid making mistakes by uploading poor quality images. Unsplash is the best website to download royalty-free high-quality images for your website. So, if you change the quality of the image, will it solve everything? Probably not. Simply tweaking the resolution won't chase things. You have to check the size of the images. Oversized images, it will slow down the website, frustrating the customer. So, you should check both the quality and size of the image if you want to boost your conversions. Frustrating user experience. Are you wondering, why is your Shopify store not converting? Well, your store might be giving a frustrating experience for your customers. Remember, user experience is not about the look and feel of a website. Rather, it is about functionality and experience. If your website is having a frustrating user experience, it can contribute to high traffic but no sales. Here are a few more issues that may be bothering your store. Your website design is too complex. Navigating between menus/modules is confusing. Slower loading time. The checkout process is complicated. The payment gateway looks unsecured. Unwanted and aggressive pop-ups. Your content is too harsh and has mistakes. Outdated contents or products. Policies aren't enticing. You need to fix these issues if you want to gain more visits and sales. You need to think like a user to check your user experience. Check your Shopify store from a customer point of view and search for products, navigation, and so on. Look for the components that frustrated you and call the development team to fix the issue promptly. You can also call your friends and families to check your website and give you an honest review of its performance. So first, figure it out, then sort it out. Poor optimization for mobile devices. Mobile users have become significantly high in the past decade. It is estimated that by 2025, around 54% of all e-commerce sales will be from mobile devices. But a sad reality is only 12% of customers find it convenient to shop from mobile devices. 67% of customers have complained that e-commerce websites are poorly optimized for mobile devices. You should make that mistake for your Shopify store. Remember, you only have 5 seconds to entice a customer. If your website is slow because of poor optimization, chances are you are missing your sales. That is why you should keep mobile optimization as a top priority. So tweak and check components like image and video loading, text visibility, page loading speed, clickability, use of pop-ups, UI/UX. Most of the time, you can see some of these things overlap with each other. That's bad optimization. It may be one of the reasons why your Shopify store is not converting. We show you how many users access e-commerce stores through mobile devices. So, if you want to increase your sales, make it optimized for all devices. Improper product descriptions. Finally, your store is a digital medium. Customers cannot physically touch the products. That's why they rely on images and product descriptions. Remember, these two can work only in unison. Having a quality image but a poor product description won't give you anything. As an e-commerce store, you need a perfect product description to entice your customers, because a product description works as a sales executive of a physical store. When you design your product page with no descriptions, customers will leave your store at first sight. Describe your products, talk about the features and benefits, and tempt them by illustrating how your products can change their lifestyle. While crafting descriptions, here are a few things to keep in mind. Draft a description of your product with vocabulary and tone that suits your audience. Do not use the description of the manufacturer; they are obsolete. Mention the product specifications. Talk about its features and benefits. List them using bullet points for easy scanning. Optimize your description with keywords. Follow these steps to create more enticing product descriptions to emotionally connect with your customer and increase your sales. That's all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.